Yo, what's up, guys? I'm just chilling in my car. Gonna talk to you guys about this rest function that not very many people seem to know about. Let me just set this up here. Alright, so this is a 2006 BMW 325i E90 and most other BMW models. They have this rest feature on the climate control system right here. Alright, and I've asked people, searched YouTube, looked on forums, and I only seem to get vague answers. Like no one's really sure. So I downloaded the owner's manual because mine didn't come with one, and I've hit it 100 fucking times while driving or while the car's on and nothing happens. So I thought it was a dealer coded option or something, but nope. It's a feature that only works when the vehicle is off or the engine's off. So when the car is off, let me just turn off my car here. Right now it's on, I've been driving for a while, let me just turn it off. And this is a feature that only works when the vehicle's off. So when the car's off, hit rest. And this shit magically lights up. And what it does is it uses the residual heat from the engine to blow warm air into the cabin. As long as the engine's at optimal temperature and the temperature outside is 15 degrees Celsius or below, I believe, it works. And it blows air for up to 15 minutes and then turns off on its own so it doesn't kill the battery. Awesome feature if you need to run into a store and come back to a warm car in this stupid ass winter. Or for, when you don't want to waste gas idling and your girl wants to run in for a cheesecake. Because, real niggas can't be seen buying cheesecake. But I'll eat that shit all day. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy this rest feature.